Hello guys, so today we are making the real Nigerian tasty beans balls, which is AKARA. So the first stage, I've already sorted the beans and now I'm washing. So we'll clean it up this way. I know a lot of people use white beans for this, but I prefer this brown because it's having much more food and because of many other reasons that I may not be able to share right now. So this is the first stage. So our beans is washed and it's ready for blending. Here we have the beans washed, onions, fresh pepper, ginger and bell pepper. So we're about to blend. Cubes. The more you knead it, the more fluffy the bean cake will be. It will rise up in the oil. So that's why we have to knead it very well. Sumptuous bean cake is ready. Very tasty, delicious. We follow the procedure, we're going to have the same result that I have. So what can you eat with this? You can eat it ordinarily as a snack like this. You need to make yours, or you can take it with custard, pap, or whatever. This is ready. Thank you for going with us. Subscribe if you are new, like this video, drop your comment. See you in our next video with a new recipe. Bye bye.